Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel, here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are showcasing the crown jewel of our inventory. This is a coach that redefines what it means to travel in first class. This is the 2018 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45MP. If you are a Tiffin enthusiast, you know that the bus is where the best engineering and the most opulent materials meet. This is a 45-foot, all-electric flagship with an incredible 19,000 original miles. Finding a 2018 bus with mileage this low, and with these specific upgrades, is like finding a needle in a haystack. Take a look at the exterior finish. We are looking at Tiffin's Sunlit Sand graphics package. This is a premium multi-stage full-body paint job. Because Tiffin is world-renowned for their paint facility in Red Bay, the finish here is absolutely flawless. Notice the depth in the metallic golds, blacks, and silvers. It's an automotive-grade shine that reflects the prestige of the Allegro bus line. There are no decals or vinyl here. This is a finish designed to stay beautiful for decades. This 45MP floor plan features 4 enormous slide-outs. As we walk the passenger side, notice the absolute massive scale of the power patio awnings and the dedicated power door awning. You also have a complete window awning package and protective slide toppers over every single slide out. One major point of value that sets this coach apart from any other on the market. We have installed brand new tires and brand new batteries all the way around this RV. You are starting your journey with a fresh slate on the 2 most expensive maintenance items in the RV world. Throughout this walk-around, notice the exterior entertainment center featuring a 40-inch TV. Most coaches give you a 32, but on the bus, everything is larger. From the polished aluminum wheels to the frameless windows and the integrated side view cameras, every inch of this coach screams quality. Around the back, we have a massive 20,000-pound trailer hitch. Most luxury diesels stop at 10 or 15, but this Allegro bus is built to tow just about anything in existence. We're going to continue our walk around this 45-foot masterpiece before we dive into the mechanical systems that truly make this the king of the road. You are looking at a coach built for those who refuse to compromise on power, stability, or prestige. Let's get into the details of that upgraded powertrain. Let's move down to the basement, because the mechanical specifications on this Allegro bus are simply staggering. This coach sits on Tiffin's proprietary PowerGlide TAG AXLE chassis. Unlike a standard chassis, the PowerGlide is engineered specifically for the weight and luxury of the bus. It features full air ride suspension and full air brakes, providing a ride that is so smooth and quiet, it feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. Now we have to talk about the heart of this machine. This coach features the $70,000 factory upgrade to the Cummins X15 diesel engine. This motor produces an incredible 605 horsepower and a massive 1,950 foot-pounds of torque. This is the ultimate powertrain in the RV world, paired with the heavy-duty Allison 4000 series automatic transmission. Whether you are towing a heavy stacker trailer or climbing the steepest mountain passes in the Rockies, this engine won't even break a sweat. It is the most powerful engine option available in a motorhome. When we open up the storage bays, you'll see that the luxury continues underground. We have full pass-through basement compartments with power slide-out storage trays. You don't even have to reach in. Just hit a button and your gear comes to you. Because this is an all-electric coach, the utility systems are the best money can buy. We have the AquaHot hydronic heating system, which provides unlimited hot water and radiant furnace heat throughout the cabin without the need for propane. For power, we have the massive Onan 10 kilowatt quiet diesel generator. It is mounted on its own power slide-out service tray at the front and features only 425 hours of use. You'll also find 50-amp service on a power cord reel, a heavy-duty Magnum inverter charger, and as I mentioned before, a brand new bank of batteries to ensure you have all the power you need while off-grid. Setup at the campsite is a breeze, thanks to the fully automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. To keep you safe on the highway, the integrated camera system with both rear view and side view monitors gives you a total 360-degree view of your surroundings. From the 20,000-pound hitch to the heavy-duty cooling system, every mechanical component on this bus was chosen for maximum durability and performance. This is a coach for the serious traveler who wants the best and nothing less. Let's head inside and see how Tiffin's flagship luxury continues in the cabin. Step up into the Allegro bus and you are immediately greeted by a level of opulence that is unmatched. One of the first things you will notice is the heated tile flooring that runs through the entire RV. There are few things as luxurious as stepping onto a warm floor on a chilly morning. Since this is an all-electric coach, the interior is incredibly quiet and residential. You'll notice the high-gloss cabinetry, the premium lighting, and the sheer volume created by those 4 enormous slide-outs. It truly feels like a custom penthouse suite on wheels. The kitchen is a chef's dream on the road. You have a beautiful residential sink and faucet, an induction cooktop for fast and efficient cooking, and a microwave convection oven. And look at the convenience features. This coach comes with the dishwasher option tucked right into the cabinetry. Cleanup is effortless. The solid surface countertops are stunning, and the cabinet storage is simply outstanding. Tiffin builds their own cabinets in-house, and that level of handcrafted quality is visible in every hinge and handle. The front living room is designed for grand-scale relaxation. We have a large pull-out sleeper sofa that provides comfortable sleeping for 2 guests. For entertainment, you have a 40-inch TV mounted above the cockpit seats, ensuring no one misses the action. The captain's chairs are incredibly plush for the long haul and swivel around to join the social area when you're parked. It is a grand, high-end social space. Look at this entertainment hub. You have a massive 50-inch TV and a plush recliner perfectly situated for viewing. Right below the TV is an electric fireplace that adds a cozy ambiance and provides a great source of electric heat. It's the perfect place to unwind after a day of cruising in the bus. Beside the living area is the table dinette with 4 chairs. 2 of these fold up and stow away when they aren't in use, keeping the space open and residential. Right here in the galley is your massive stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer. It offers incredible storage for those long cross-country trips, ensuring you can stock up on all your favorites. Moving toward the rear, we find a very well-appointed middle bathroom layout. It starts with a private water closet that features its own sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan. This 1.5 bath functionality is a huge benefit, allowing your guests to have their own dedicated facilities without ever entering your master suite. Prepare to be impressed by this master bath area. We have a huge double sink and vanity setup. This is such a rare and desirable feature in a motorhome, providing a level of space and convenience that you usually only see in a luxury bricks and mortar home. The mirrors, lighting, and countertop space here are simply spectacular, allowing two people to get ready at the same time in total comfort. The centerpiece of the bathroom is this enormous walk-in tile shower. It features glass doors, a skylight for extra headroom, and beautiful tile work that reflects the Tiffin quality. This isn't just an RV shower, it's a residential experience. Having a shower of this size makes life on the road incredibly comfortable and refreshing. Welcome to the Master Retreat. The 45MP features a massive king-sized bed that provides the ultimate in sleeping comfort. This room is packed with flagship features. You have your own 40-inch TV, a ceiling fan, and look at this, a second electric fireplace. It's a quiet, comfortable sanctuary, separated perfectly from the main living area. The heated tile floors continue back here, making this a space you'll never want to leave. At the very back of the coach is a full walk-in rear closet. You have custom cabinets, drawers, dedicated shoe storage, and a built-in safe for your valuables. The sheer amount of hanging space here is incredible, providing enough room for all your travel attire and gear for any season. For the long-term traveler, this coach comes equipped with a stackable washer and dryer. Having separate machines instead of a combo unit is a huge luxury, allowing you to wash and dry simultaneously while you enjoy your vacation. It turns this Allegro bus into a truly self-sufficient home. As we walk back through the coach and head outside, it is easy to see why the 2018 Tiffin Allegro Bus 45MP is a flagship choice. To recap, you are looking at an all-electric TAG axle masterpiece with only 19,000 miles. You're getting the power and reliability of the 605 horsepower Cummins X15 engine on the heavy-duty Tiffin PowerGlide chassis. With 4 slides, a king bed, 2 fireplaces, a dishwasher, and that stunning Sunlit Sand full body paint, this coach is fully loaded and ready for its next owner. With brand new tires and brand new batteries already installed, this rig is truly turnkey. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, we'd love to hear from you. You can give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thank you so much for joining us for this virtual tour here at Porter's RV Sales. We take great pride in showing you these high-quality coaches. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon, and as always, happy camping!